Newly hatched chicks, small, adorable, and fragile, are taking their first steps into life. Every tiny movement and every soft chirp radiates innocence and cuteness. They are so delicate and need special care to overcome the challenges of their first days on my farm. These little chicks are not just small creatures but also companions in my journey. Taking care of them is not just a responsibility but also a daily joy. Watching them eat, explore the world around them, and grow day by day is an unforgettable experience. If you also love witnessing the daily growth journey of these chicks, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to join me. Every day, I'll bring you the most authentic moments of the chicks' lives, from their very first meals to their maturity. This is a beautiful journey, and I sincerely hope you'll follow along and support the growth of these adorable little ones.